Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do another logo sign for a company that's based out of Georgia. This company is called Battlbox. They make they send out boxes of survival gear and tactical stuff, and you subscribe to them, there's 2 or 3 different levels of boxes. I'm not real sure on all the workings of the company. This is a company that Daniel at Arms Family Homestead reviews, and they send him a box every month and he goes through and reviews all the products that are in it. So I figured since I did the GP rinse for him, I'd go ahead and do Battlbox. This will be video number 2 of this little series that I told you about. So let's get started. Well guys, that's it. That was Battlbox's logo and their, I guess both logos. I found both of these on their website. Like I said before, I've done this for Daniel over at Arms Family Homestead. He reviews their stuff, and so run over there to Arms Family Homestead and check out one of his reviews on Battlbox. Well guys, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.